How to rank a list of numbers in Excel. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rank a list of numbers in Excel. In this example, I'm using the list of numbers of marks, and here I have number of students over here. Like there are 5 students in total that I've written over here along with their marks. Now I want to rank each student with respect to the marks of other students. So to do that, what you're going to do is simply click on this block over here, type in equal to, and then type in rank, and then you're going to select this one over here. So now you need to know that this function is available for compatibility with Excel 2007 and earlier. So you can simply click on it, and after that you're going to type down this rank over here, that is F6. So you're going to type down the rank, or you're going to type down the block code of this specific block. So you're going to type down F6. So I'm going to type down F and then 6 and then comma. And now over here, you're going to select all of the marks or all of the numbers from which you wish to rank the specific block. So I'm going to select all of these till here. And then over here, you're going to click on it. And now it depends on your keyboard. Like you can also simply just press F4, and we can do the same for this one as well. So just press F4, and once you do so, you get to press or type comma. And now here you can see that there are 2 types. One is descending and one is ascending. Now descending depends that for the class marks, for the example that I'm doing right now, I'm going to select descending because I want the person who got the highest marks to get the first rank, and then the second one should get the second rank. So I'm over here, I'm going to select descending, or I'm going to type in 0 over here, and then I'm going to close the bracket and then press enter. Now you can see that this is rank 2 because this mark lies on rank 2, and now over here you can see that this will be on rank 1. So that is basically how you can rank numbers on Excel. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.